Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today we will discuss line graph. Dear students, a line graph, it is also a type of data chart where information of values of data are displayed as a series of dots or point connected by line. Dear students, the line graph it is also a type of data chart where information of values of data are displayed as a series of dots or point connected by line. It makes comparison easier. Let's understand with the help of examples. Dear students, the sale of garments was noted down with particular companies. So here the 5 months are given, that is Jan to May. Garments were sold in month of January, that is 15,000, and in month of Feb 12,000 garments were sold, and in March 19,000 garments were sold, and so on. Dear students, we have to join information in form of line graph. So first of all, let's give a title to our graph. Let it be sale of garments. Now we have two type of axes, x-axis and y-axis. Dear students, the sale of garment is our numeric information which is always shown on y-axis. We will give the name of sales of garment, that is sales, and in x-axis shows name which is our textual information, so mark it as month. As we make a scale along the y-axis to show the numeric values for making a scale, first range the value that we have to show on the scale. Here the range of numeric is 12,000 to 22,000, that we have to show numbers in the range of 12,000 to 22,000. So let's make a scale showing values 10,000 to 25,000. Dear students, on x-axis the names of month show, that is Jan to May. Sale for January are 15,000 garments. So we will make a dot along the month of Jan and sale on 15,000. Dear students, this dot show the sale of January. Next sale for February are 12,000 garments were sold. So we will make a dot along the month January and sale 12,000. This dot shows the sale of February. Now join these two dots, make a line. Next sale for month March, that is 19,000 garments were sold. Now dear students, we will make a dot along the month March and sale on 19,000. So this dot shows the sale of March. So dear students, similarly all the information was sold and we will make a line. So dear students, the line graph is ready. Let's read from the book. Another very useful graph is the line graph. It is particularly useful when we want to measure something which is gradually changing. Study this line graph and answer these questions. Dear students, this is the line graph. In this graph we have two types of information. One is numeric information, other is textual information. So dear students, in this graph the numeric cost is given, and here cost in rupees, that is numeric information, and number of pizzas, this is also numeric information. So we will solve this question according to this line graph. A. What is the cost of 3 pizzas? So dear students, in 3 pizzas, what is the cost of 3 pizzas? Here the cost is given and here is the number of pizzas. So 3 pizzas cost is rupees 450. 450. B. How many pizzas can be bought for rupees 600? So dear students, here is the cost of pizzas and here is the number of pizzas, and rupees 600, how many pizzas can be bought. So that is 4 pizzas can be bought for rupees 600. See how much money will be spent to buy 10 pizzas. So dear students, here the data is given to 5 pizzas and we will find the money to spend 10 pizzas. So here is the cost. The difference is, in the cost difference is 150 rupees. Number of pizzas, that is 5, and the cost is 750. So we will find the cost of 6 pizzas. So we will add 750 plus 150. So that is 900. And then we will find the cost of 7 pizza. So 900 plus 150 is equal to 1050. And 8 pizza, we will find the cost of 8 pizza. So 1050, we will add 150. So the cost is 1200. Now we will find the cost of 1200. We will add 150. So that is 1350. And the number of pizza, that is 10, and we will find the cost of pizza 10. So we will add 1350 to 150. So that is 1500. So how much money will be spent to buy 10 pizzas? That is 1500. So dear students, let's move toward the exercise questions. So dear students, today we will solve question number 5 and question number 6 of exercise 8, page number 189. So question number 5 is, study the graph, then answer the questions that follow. So dear students, this is the line graph. The title is given, that is cost of liter bottles of lemon squash. So here is the cost of the lemon squash and here is the number of bottles. So we will find the answers. A. What is the cost of 3 liter of lemon squash? So dear students, here is the bottles, here is the 3 liter, and what is the cost of this 3 liter lemon squash? That is rupees 60. So rupees 60 is the cost of 3 liter lemon squash. B. If you have 2 rupees 20 notes, if we have 2 rupees 20 notes, can you buy 4 liter lemon squash? So dear students, the 4 liter lemon squash, the price is 80, but we have 2 notes of rupees 20. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40, but the 4 liter lemon squash price is 80. So that means we do not buy 4 liter of lemon squash in rupees 40. So here, no. C. How much change will you get from rupees 100 when you buy 1 liter of lemon squash? So dear students, rupees 100 is given. We will buy 1 liter of lemon squash. So 1 liter of lemon squash rupees is rupees 20. Cost is rupees 20. We will separate 100 minus 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 2 not possible, so we will borrow from 1. Here remaining 0, 10. 10 minus 2, that is 8. So rupees 80. Question number 6. Look at the given line graph and answer the questions. Dear students, here is the graph. The title is temperature from January to December. Here is the temperature. The numeric value is here, and here is the names of month, that is January to December. So we will find the temperatures. A. In which month is the temperature the highest? Dear students, look at this graph and which month the temperature is the highest. So that is, here is the dot on the top. That means this is the highest and this is the month of August. In which month is the temperature the highest? That is August. B. Which months have the same temperature? So dear students, look at this graph and which months have the same temperature. So that is May, June, July, September and October. That means 5 months have the same temperature. That is May, June, July, September and October. May, June, July, September and October. See, in which month is the temperature the lowest? Dear student, look at this graph and which month have the lowest temperature? That is month Feb. February is the lowest temperature. So that is February. D. Which 2 months have the temperature higher than 32 degrees Celsius? Dear students, look at this graph. The only 1 month, that is August, the temperature is above than 32 degrees Celsius. The other months, the temperature is below or 32 degrees Celsius. So the only 1 month, that is August, the temperature is above than 32 degrees Celsius. So here, that is August only. Because only 1 month, that is August, the temperature is higher than the 32 degrees Celsius. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.